We're going to enjoy ourselves again. Let us see how they are going to come down. Rescuing them. This is how we are climbing down step by step. So as a team we are here once again and we're going to explore the stream. I think we're going to find some more points today and my last time. Oh, there some claims there. I'm going to show that. And they're busy searching some fish. Yeah, they're searching fish. And they're busy climbing down. So this is how we're going to spend a day. So this is how the stream is going down. I've got quite many steps. This is how we are planning to climb down. So this, two of my friends are down there. Thank you. Sonny. Listen now. So scary. If anything happens, we are gone. Going to climb down. What about me then? See how I'm taking the steps? Out there, they are following me. And down there, we are almost done. And I'm right here in the middle. A bit scary. We have reached halfway. Some more to go. Yay! So frightening. Come on. Zerde. Directing the steps. Yeah! We are almost done. Just one more step. I got it. Six back. Yeah! Yes! Come on, there we go. Oh! Wow! It's good! We're going to eat this crab. Đúng Yeah. It's very tasty. Oh, con mình dưới rồi. Our simple lunch. So yeah, we are going back, and it was really a great time spending a memorable, precious moment with my friends. I really enjoyed, and I'm sure they have enjoyed. Actually, we came for a picnic like today. Since we were bored staying at home, we just came to explore and find out. And it was a bit scary, but we really enjoyed it. And I'm sure you guys, if you want some adventurous life after this COVID-19 is eliminated, you can come and venture out and find out the village life. It is very thrilling. At the same time, it's really worth sacrificing your own energy in order to explore and find out some adventurous life. So this is With Confession. See you in the next vlog, and yeah, please don't forget to like it, comment, subscribe, and share the link with your friends, because that will mean a lot to me and to all my subscribers. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you.
See you.